Hello guys and welcome back to Cutie Sassy and Foodie. So today we are going to create this beautiful cat lady Halloween look, and which is inspired by this little handsome guy. So guys, I'm trying this kind of look for the first time. So this look might not be picture perfect, but I am a beginner like you guys, and so we will learn together and we will try to make or create something very presentable and beautiful out here. And also I'll try to use very simple makeup techniques which I know and which will be easy for you guys to use as well. So if you guys like this video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and also stay healthy, stay fit. So to start with, I have prepped my skin with moisturizer, sunscreen and lip balm. I will list all the products I am going to use today down in the description box below so that you can go ahead and check for yourself. And now, without wasting any time, let's get started. To start with my makeup, first I'll go with foundation. So I'll be using Estee Lauder Double Wear Nude Water Makeup Foundation. As I told, I'll list all the products down there. Today's makeup is going to be a little bit heavy as it is Halloween, and you know, we have to look glam and beautiful and all that, so I'm excited. After foundation, it's concealer time. After concealer, I'm going to apply correcting powder on my face. Today I'm going to use Beauty Blender to apply correcting powder. Using correcting powder, I'm going to contour my face. For this look, I'm going to do a little heavy contouring, and for that I'm going to use a contour shade a little deeper than my regular contour shade. exploring, let's move to eye makeup. So I'm going to prep my eyelids by applying eyeshadow primer. Now I'm going to use this Colourpop Rendezvous eyeshadow palette. Here I started with applying eyeshadow which is little darker than my base color. I'm going to apply this eyeshadow all over my crease. Now I'm going to go with a little deeper shade than that. And I'm going to apply it on the edge of my crease, creating a V shape which will give me a smoky eye effect. Once I'm satisfied blending all the shades, I'm going to go with a cream eyeshadow. I'll note down which brand I'm using, what shade it is and everything. And I'm going to use it. It's a glitter eyeshadow. It's a glittery cream eyeshadow which I'm going to use it all over my crease. If a little glitter goes here and there, that's okay. We are going to blend it afterwards. Using the same brush, I'm going to blend this glitter into my crease properly. Once I'm satisfied with my blending, I'm going to use my eyeshadow primer again, and I'm going to use it under the eyeshadow which I blend, the dark eyeshadow over here, and just try to create a precise line for itself. Once you're satisfied with your blending, I'm going to create a thick cat eye with my eyeliner on this side. I've already done on this side. Once I apply my eyeliner, I'm going to do my eyebrows. So once I'm done with my eyebrows, I'm going to put a little eyeliner over here. Once you're done doing that, your eyes should look something like this. Let's move to our next step, and our next step would be to color our nose. So we are going to paint our nose a little black from the below. So we are just going to take a small line like this. I'm trying to create a little heart, if you can see. And now I'm going to paint it. Fill the color into black. Once you're done filling your nose, you're going to create a little small thin triangle till your lips. For that, I'm using my eyeliner. Now it's time to fill your lips. So I'm going to fill my upper lip with black color and my lower lip with something in nudish pinkish color. So you can see because of my habit I'm doing this, but please avoid it. Once we are done with this, let's put blush on our face. Now I'm going to use this eyeshadow palette from the Julia's Place. This is the Saharan by Julia's, and I'm going to use deep orange shade from this palette, and I'm going to use it to kind of contour here, but which will create a beautiful orangish look. Once this is done, I'm going to use my white eyeliner pencil and kind of going to create stripes here. I'm done with creating the stripes, I'm going to go ahead and create whiskers. For that I'm going to again use this white pencil, eyeliner pencil, and create a little white dots over here. And from here I'm going to create whiskers by using my eyeliner. You can create as many whiskers as you want. My cat is mean too and he has lot of whiskers. So once you're done creating whiskers, you should look something like this. Now I'll go ahead and put my lip color down my lip, but before that I need to clean this black color which is already there. So I cleaned my lower lip from the black color and I'm going to apply this pink lipstick.